Today, I'm going to show you a secret AI tool that can double your Google ranking in 2025. This is brand new stuff from Google that most people don't even know exists yet. It's so easy to use that even a 5-year-old could figure it out. And the best part? It's completely safe and follows all of Google's rules. This tool is already making people thousands of dollars more each month. Now, before we dive in, I need to tell you something important. What I'm about to show you is going to change everything you think you know about getting ranked on Google. And by the end of this video, you're going to have a massive advantage over your competition. But here's the thing, most people are going to watch this video and do nothing with it. Don't be one of those people, because the people who actually use this tool are seeing crazy results. All right, let's jump right in. So what is this secret AI tool I keep talking about? It's called Veo3, and it's Google's brand new AI video generator that just came out in 2025. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does a video tool help me rank higher on Google? Well, that's where most people get it wrong. They think SEO is just about writing blog posts and getting backlinks. But here's what's really happening. Google's algorithm has changed big time, and video content is now one of the biggest ranking factors they look at. Think about it. When you search for something on Google, what do you see first? Videos. Lots and lots of videos. That's not an accident. That's Google telling us what they want. And here's the crazy part. Most businesses still aren't using video content, which means there's a huge opportunity for people who get in early. But creating videos used to be hard. You needed expensive equipment. You needed to know how to edit. You needed actors and scripts and all this complicated stuff. Not anymore. Veo3 changes everything. You literally just type what you want, and it creates a professional-looking video for you. With perfect audio, with realistic people, with everything you need to rank on Google. Let me break down exactly how this works. First, Veo3 takes your text prompt and turns it into a high-quality video. We're talking about videos that look like they cost thousands of dollars to make, but you can create them in minutes. The videos have perfectly synced audio, so if someone is talking in your video, their mouth moves exactly right. The background music fits perfectly. But here's where it gets really interesting. The visuals are so realistic that people can't tell they were made by AI. The characters look like real people. The scenes look like real places. Everything looks professional. And here's the best part. You can create videos about any topic you want, any niche, any keyword. If you can think of it, Veo3 can make it. Now let me tell you why this matters for your Google rankings. Google loves video content because people engage with it more. They watch longer, they click more, they share more. All of these things send signals to Google that your content is valuable. And when Google thinks your content is valuable, they rank it higher. And here's something most people don't know. Google owns YouTube, so when you create video content, you can put it on YouTube too. That's like getting a direct line to Google's algorithm. But wait, there's more. Videos also help you rank for more keywords. A single video can rank for dozens of different search terms. That means more traffic, more customers, more money. Now, I mentioned that Google has guidelines for AI content, and some people are scared about using AI because they think Google will penalize them. Here's the truth. Google doesn't care if your content is made by AI. They care if it's helpful to users. And if you create helpful video content with Veo3, Google will reward you for it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, Veo3 isn't the only AI video tool out there. There are some other options you should know about. Invido is great for creating videos with voiceovers. It's really user-friendly and has lots of templates. Kling is awesome if you need API access. You can integrate it with other tools and switch between different styles easily. And then there's Sora. It's cost-effective for short videos and works really well with ChatGPT if you already have that. Each of these tools has different pricing models. Some are monthly subscriptions, some are pay per video. You'll want to check which one fits your budget best. But here's my honest opinion. If you're serious about ranking on Google, Veo3 is your best bet. It's made by Google. It's designed to work with Google's algorithm, and it creates the highest quality videos. All right, now let me show you exactly how to use this tool to double your Google rankings. Step 1, start with a keyword-focused text prompt. This is super important. You can't just type any random thing. You need to focus on keywords that people are actually searching for. Let's say you're in the fitness niche. Instead of typing workout video, you'd type something like 10-minute morning workout routine for busy people to lose belly fat fast. See the difference? The second prompt targets specific keywords that people search for. Busy people, morning workout, lose belly fat. These are all search terms. Step 2. Customize your video. Most AI tools let you pick the style, the length, the mood. Don't just use the defaults. Think about what your audience wants to see. If you're targeting busy professionals, maybe you want a clean, modern style. If you're targeting families, maybe you want something more fun and colorful. Step 3. Generate your video. This usually takes a few minutes. While you wait, you can work on your script or plan your next video. Step 4. This is where most people mess up. You can't just upload your video and hope for the best. You need to optimize it for SEO. Here's where tools like ChatGPT and SEOwriting.ai come in. Use these to create your video description, use them to find the right tags, use them to write a compelling title. Your video title is huge. It needs to include your main keyword. But it also needs to make people want to click. Something like, I lost 20 pounds in 30 days with this 10-minute morning routine. Your description should be at least 200 words. Include your keywords naturally. Tell people what they're going to learn. And always include a call to action. Step 5. Upload and promote your video. Don't just put it on YouTube, put it on your website too. Embed it in blog posts, share it on social media. The more places your video appears, the more signals Google gets that it's valuable content. Now, here's a pro tip that most people don't know. Update your videos regularly. Add new information, change the title slightly, refresh the description. Google loves fresh content. And when you update your videos, Google sees them as new content, which can give you another ranking boost. But here's what's really crazy. You can use AI to help you update your content too. Tools like ChatGPT can suggest new titles, new descriptions, new tags. You can even use AI to create multiple versions of the same video. Same information, but presented differently. That gives you more chances to rank. And here's something else most people miss. You can use AI tools to analyze your competition. See what videos are ranking in your niche. Then create better versions using VO3. This isn't about copying. This is about understanding what works and making it better. First, you'll want to check out the official VO3 page. Google has demos and tutorials that show you exactly how to use the tool. For SEO optimization, I recommend using ChatGPT, SEOwriting.ai, and Ahrefs. These tools will help you find the right keywords and optimize your content properly. Google rewards websites that keep their content fresh and relevant. Now, let me tell you what's really exciting about all this. We're just at the beginning of the AI revolution. These tools are going to get better and better, faster and faster, cheaper and cheaper. The people who start using them now are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. But you have to start now. Every day you wait, your competition gets further ahead. And here's something else to think about. Video content isn't just good for Google rankings. It's good for conversions too. People trust businesses that use video. They're more likely to buy from you, more likely to contact you, more likely to recommend you to others. Now, I want to be clear about something. I'm not promising this will work overnight. SEO takes time. But the businesses that are using these AI video tools are seeing results faster than traditional SEO methods. Some of my clients have doubled their traffic in just 60 days using these techniques. Others have seen their rankings jump from page 3 to page 1 in less than a month. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one keyword in your niche. Create a video about it using VO3 or one of the other AI tools I mentioned. Optimize it properly. Upload it to your website and YouTube. Then come back and tell us what happened. I guarantee you'll be surprised by the results. And remember, this is just the beginning. As these AI tools get better, the opportunities get bigger, the people who master them now will dominate their industries in the future. But you have to start somewhere, and you have to start now. The competition is already using these tools. The question is, are you going to join them, or are you going to get left behind? The choice is yours. But if you want to double your Google rankings, if you want more traffic, more customers, and more revenue, then you need to start using AI video tools today. Don't wait. Don't make excuses. Just start. Your future self will thank you. Now, if you want to take this even further, I've got 2 things that will help you massively. First, if you want a free SEO strategy session where we'll analyze your website and show you exactly how to implement these AI video strategies for your business, there's a link in the comments and description below. We'll look at your current rankings, identify the best opportunities, and create a custom plan just for you. Second, if you want to go deeper, check out our SEO Elite Circle. This is where we share our latest AI SEO strategies, including advanced voice search tactics. Rank number 1. Get more customers. Make money with AI SEO. Grab the AI SEO playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 monthly visitors and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. The link is below.